Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Grow with Google Springfield.
We are the home of 50 innovations created right here in the city of Springfield. So to have Google here is absolutely fantastic.
Well, I think that for all of us, no matter what age, upgrading our skill set is always important.
We know how difficult it is to take out a day away from your clients, your customers, your store to be here. But our hope is to help provide value information for every single person who comes here today.
My favorite part of Grow with Google so far has been just the turnout of all the great local businesses that have come out in support of this program. This has been a really great opportunity to grow my network and also be able to talk to them about how to work with them in the future.
I got such an in-depth look at the products and services that are available through Google and how they apply to my job at the nonprofit that I work for.
I learned a bunch of stuff. I actually learned how to deploy my module to the App Engine with the cloud team back there. And from the data workshop, I learned basically how to get more customers using data and analytics.
You have this opportunity to come out to another event like this, you should be here. I mean, there is so much information. It was a great day.
And if you can't be here with us today, you can still find all the tools and trainings on the Grow with Google website.